What does vocational education mean? Vocational education means training and education that prepare people for specific jobs or careers. In simple words, vocational education teaches practical skills needed for a particular profession. This type of education focuses more on hands-on training rather than only theoretical learning. Vocational education helps people learn skills for jobs such as electrician, mechanic, nurse, chef, or technician. For example, vocational education helps students learn practical job skills. This means students are trained for specific careers. Many vocational programs are offered in technical schools, training institutes, or colleges. These programs help students become ready for employment in a shorter time. Here are more example sentences. Vocational education prepares students for skilled professions. He joined a vocational course to become an electrician. Many countries promote vocational education to increase employment. In simple terms, vocational education means training that prepares people for specific jobs. Easy way to remember. Vocational education means job skill training.